A very good morning, class 6. Earlier in SST tutorial we discussed about universal adult franchise that is practiced in democracy. Every adult has a right to vote and elect their representative through voting. So this was known as universal adult franchise. Today we are going to discuss about suffrage movement. So what is suffrage movement? Earlier women and the poor were not allowed to vote, to participate in electing their representatives. Women's struggle for the right to vote was named as suffrage movement. जब women को allow नहीं किया गया था and they struggled for the right to vote, and this was known as suffrage movement. Even the poor people were not allowed to participate in voting, and this happened in Europe and USA too. पहले जो है women और poor को right नहीं दिया जाता था कि वो vote कर सकें. Their struggle for the right to vote got strengthened during the First World War. और ये कब उनका strengthen हुआ? During First World War. अब क्या किया women ने? They began managing and organizing different types of work. उन्होंने अपने आप को प्रूव करने में अलग अलग तरह के काम करने शुरू किए. Except for the household work, they started doing other work also, and they were discriminated by the men at that time, and this created unfair stereotypes about women and their capabilities. उनकी capabilities पे शक किया गया कि वो काम नहीं कर सकती हैं. But at that time, women demanded for the right to vote. तब उन्होंने डिमांड किया कि हमें भी अधिकार दिया जाए कि हम भी वोट कर सकें. And they began demanding the right to vote for all. After much struggle, they got it. और ये right उनको मिला बहुत ज़्यादा struggle करने के बाद. And American women got it into 1920, and UK women got it into 1928. इन years में American women को right to vote मिला, and UK में 1928 में. In India also, before independence, only small minority was allowed to vote. इंडिया में भी बहुत कम लोगों को अधिकार था वोट करने का. The poor, the women or the propertyless people and the uneducated people were not allowed to vote. Then Gandhiji gave statement that according to him, every adult should have the right to vote. सारी कंट्री में एडल्ट्स को वोट करने का राइट दिया जाना चाहिए. They should have right to vote. No discrimination on the basis of poverty. Whether the people are poor or rich, this should not be the basis of discrimination, whether they have property or not. So all must have right to vote. Illiterate should also be given right. Illiterates जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं होते, uneducated लोग होते हैं, उनको भी वोटिंग का राइट दिया जाना चाहिए. And all citizens are equal in the eyes of law. सारे citizens जो हैं law के according equal हैं. And the laws are not made for men only. तो laws जो हैं खाली men के लिए नहीं बनाए गए हैं. Women should also participate in the voting. So these statements were given by Gandhiji, and he said that all citizens of India should be treated equally. So my dear children, this was the today's tutorial. I have attached an assignment. Kindly do that. Thank you. Have a nice day.